Hi Amber. I'm headed home from the orthopedic guy, girl, whoever. I got the knee injection, my first of 3, so I'm trying out a new phone mount, and I thought I'd see how it worked while I chit-chatted with you a little bit. Gotta keep it short because I know these things get too long and then they don't go anywhere. Anyway, I really like this drive along here because of the palm trees. Reminds me of Beverly Hills. Of course, we're like anywhere but Beverly Hills. This is like well, it's not the armpit of Redlands. I think this is the butt pit, because the armpit of Redlands would be considered north side, and we are northwest side, so we're past that. But this is all of the, what do you call them, buildings, warehouse buildings for all of the distribution centers. Anyway, I love those palm trees as you look and you drive. Looks cool on the screen. I zoomed in a little bit so it would hold the palm trees up and show them a little bit better. Well, I'm coming up on 2 minutes, so I'm gonna probably go too long on this one as usual. Oh well. I'm trying out a new phone mount I bought because I thought, gosh, I could put a little phone mount in my car and videotape while I'm driving, then I don't have to mess with my phone. I was going to put this in the the blue car, but I'm in the red car right now, so we're going in that one and trying it here. Coming across the wash. It's a beautiful day out. I think it's supposed to get cooler, but it's 76, it says on my dash doohickey. So it isn't that cold. I don't know where all the cold is. There's the airport off to the left, cement company plant off to the right. Mountains ahead of us. Headed north. Like I said, it's a beautiful day out. Beautiful spring day. It's supposed to get cooler though. Sorry about that. Back at it. I'm driving. I'm on Palm Avenue, and I'm heading across 5th Street now. I'm heading up towards Highland. Of course, it's a ways off in the distance. This is Ghettoville. Actually, I don't think this is the worst Ghettoville. There's other places worse than this. I kind of like traveling across these side streets because you see something different. There's a restaurant over there. Gosh, that's busy. I'm gonna head up and try to get the car washed. All the bad weather, I haven't felt like doing it. So I haven't done it because I just haven't felt like doing it, and so it hasn't gotten done yet. That made a lot of sense, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Anyway, I don't know what street I'm coming up to. Oh, this will be Baseline. It's a main drag San Bernardino. Palm used to be a major drag, and you can see some of the old buildings along the way. There's an old packing house there on the left-hand side. You can kind of see it over there. And then on the right-hand side, there's another place, and train tracks used to run across here. And that's why they have the setup the way it is right in through here. Can't see it, but off to the right, because I can't move my phone because it's held in a mount. Off to the right, there's an old gas station from way back when, and then a couple of older buildings. Someday I'm just going to come down here and take pictures of it because it's so cool. And then you can see some of the older houses along here that were built back in the olden times, late 1800s, early 1900s. Crossing over the 210 freeway now. On the right hand side that they keep trying to work on and refurbish, and then over here on the left hand side again some homes, but I think these are more of the maybe the 20s through the 30 homes, maybe even a little bit. No, those are 30s-ish looking, so that would have been that time period. There's the Circle 1. You heard Circle 7, there's Circle 1. And here's Stater Brothers, and I'm up to Highland now. That's pretty darn exciting. Anyway, I just wanted to share a little bit of my drive home with you, and let you see all the exciting, fun stuff I gotta travel through to get home. There's those mountains up there in front. We'll see them once we get past these big old trees. That's cool. There's my place off to the left, but we're not going there because I want to go get the car washed. I'm not going to do a car wash video because I don't think my throat can take it talking that long. Mountains are pretty. The snow's melting fast. Well, considering it's 75 still, that snow's going to be gone pretty quickly. The lower stuff, and then the cap will be covered, but that's what you'd expect. Nice and green, the hills. It's all that global warming's just dropping too much moisture. Global warming. Well, they call it climate change now. They gave up on global warming because they couldn't prove the warming part. So they had to go with climate change because, you know, that sounds good, but the climate's always changed. What a bunch of baloney. Right, well, it's not too busy, so I'm going through the car wash. Yeah. Might as well run it through the car wash, because it's always fun, you know. Well, it's fun for me. I don't think Ashley likes to go through car washes. I think one time I went with her, she didn't enjoy it much when she was little. Maybe now she doesn't care. I don't know. Guy's guiding me in, telling me I gotta turn. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. All right, we're gonna get going. You went through a car wash with me a couple of times when you were little. Well, we just did those ones, you know, you drive to, you know, you at the gas station kind of thing. I think I took you when you were little once to the one where, you know, you pay for people to actually do it. We sat or stood and watched the car go through. And then they wipe it for you and stuff like that. I don't think you minded sitting in the car during the car wash. So, anyway, the red car, I drove it somewhere and it was raining out, and I parked it and it dried, and it looked like it had brown polka dots, you know, where the dirt that had collected on it, and then the rain had hit it and it made little brown polka dots. It was funny because the whole front of the car looked like it had these little brown polka dots. It looked like a piece of material, you know, where they have the little dots are raised. And anyway, gotta wash that off. Gotta clean the car once in a while. The car's gotta last for a while. I don't intend to buy another car before I die. So the blue car, the red car, whatever car I have that lasts, that's the one that will keep. There's a green light to go. Come around the bend here and see what parking space I can find. Someone in mind? Yeah, I'll do something different for a change. You know, variety is the spice of life. That's a bunch of crap. Excuse me. That's a bunch of hoopla. Alright. I think I got enough done now. Gotta go dry it off. I love you, girl. Take care. Hope you have a good rest of the day and you get some decent sleep. Think about you all the time. Love you. Hey, I was out getting my car washed, making sure that it was all nice and clean and shiny. It's looking good, like it should. I made it through car wash number 2 today. Just got back. I meant to take a picture while I was at the place, but I forgot. All the rain crap off. Car's talking to me. I don't know why it always does that. I guess it just likes me a lot. Love you.